Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 on a 70 reg Peugeot Boxer. Now of course you do get your halogen daytime running lights on this van. You then come around to the side, also get these steel alloy wheels, which of course are an 15-inch. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the condition of them. Now of course, coming into the side just here, through the slidey door, you can access into here, where you've got a nice little bit of a box compartment just there. You've then also got plenty of space inside the rear of the van in whole. I will then just closing the door now and showing you the rear alloy just here. Coming around to the back, you do have the split opening doors at the rear, and rear parking sensors, which you can see along the rear bumper. As you can see, simply pull, that'll open, pull the lever, and as you can see, that will reveal the sheer amount of space that you do get. Now I'm 6 foot tall and you can stand up straight in this van when it is empty. Coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. We have got the side exit exhaust just down here as well, and then coming into the front of the van now. In here we've then got your heated rear windscreen, which again doesn't have a heated rear window, I'll admit. You've then got your air conditioning controls just here as well. Then we do have your media in the middle, which comes with your various radio bands just there. So you've got AM, FM, DAB. The media, I'm fairly certain it comes with Bluetooth as well. Oh sorry, you got the sources here, you got Bluetooth and USB. We've also got your satellite navigation in here as well. Then over to the steering wheel. As you can see on the left hand side, we have your mute button, volume controls and voice assistant. Over on the right we have your Bluetooth hands-free and your onboard computer controls just there. Your cruise control is just behind the steering wheel below the indicators. As you can see, this van has done 82,643 miles. Jumping back outside the van now, showing you the last remaining wheel. If you do of course require any further information on this Peugeot Boxer, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.